Okay guys, so you can see we have our butterfly friend here, and she's using her tongue to drink. And oh, she's using her tongue to drink the sweetness from that banana, the smushed up banana there. Did you know that ladybugs taste their feet? So she's tasting it with her feet and she's drinking it up with her straw. I hope you guys can see that. I have some honey water over here, but I think I might need to put it in a shallow dish. I think this dish is too deep. I don't think this guy can get in. I don't think that she could get in there. She's trying to drink something that's not there. These guys over here are practicing flying. This guy still looks like he's pumping his blood inside of his wings. His belly's really big. See that big belly? Usually butterflies have a thin belly. So that means that he must be still pumping blood into his wings. You can see they're not really open yet or anything. He must have just hatched. Oh, look at this guy. See his belly? It's much thinner. This belly and that belly. See how big that belly is? God bless you, Gigi. We have a lot of butterflies, guys. I can't really figure out how many there are. We definitely have a lot. And there you can see our chrysalis. God bless you, Gigi. Our chrysalis shells are empty. That one's right there, still has to hatch. All right, guys. See you later.